I never knew cherry blossom farms existed until I went to Wuling Farms in Taichung, Taiwan. Getting there was not easy. Wuling Farms is located on top of a mountain in the middle of Taiwan. Our tour guide had to navigate really skinny roads going uphill, and it was a long process. It took several hours to get up to the top of this mountain. Everywhere I looked was absolutely beautiful. And as I was filming, I kept thinking, what is the point of me even filming this? Everything I see in camera will not do this justice. But I kept wanting to capture this visceral moment. The farm was located almost 4,000 meters above sea level. And as we were driving, we weren't just going through the clouds. We were actually driving above the clouds.
Oh, I can see the clouds rolling in. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Oh, we are so high up that we are literally above the clouds, and we've got more clouds rolling in. This is beautiful. So beautiful up here. I can barely breathe, and I'm just enjoying all of this. I need to travel more often.
On our way up to the top of the mountain, we found some places to stop, eat, rest, and enjoy the local flavors.
We're on top of a mountain, and they got like all these vendors everywhere.
This is my favorite. It's
So I think what she was trying to say is that's her favorite. It's a sausage that's wrapped in rice.
yeah. What I'm trying to say is sticky rice sausage, and the regular sausage wrap.
On our way to our hotel, we passed by a cherry blossom farm, which wasn't the main attraction that we were coming up to the top of the mountain to see. But because we weren't sure of what the weather conditions were going to be the next day, we went ahead and stopped by to take a look.
Okay, we're now up in the mountain, and I don't know why my family is in such a hurry.
Are they all over there?
Yeah, they're all ahead of us.
Okay, it took us several hours to drive up that mountain. I mean, several hours of all the winding roads. And now we're here at Wuling Park.
Quick editor's note, I'm in the middle of editing this video. I referenced this place as Wuling Farm several times. We're actually going to Wuling Farm in the following video. After some research, I realized this was actually called Fushoushan Farm. I can't pronounce that really well. Fushoushan Farm. So my apologies, it's not Wuling Farm, it's Fushoushan Farm. We were driving up there. We happened to pass by this farm and we stopped by. After the hotel, then we went to Wuling Farm. So forgive the reference.
Where it's home to 20,000 cherry blossoms. It's probably about 1 or 2 days away from peak blossom, but we decided because the weather's good and the next 2 days are unpredictable, that we're gonna stop by now and try to grab some photos and explore the scenery.
I think it's really pretty. I didn't know there was such a place in Taiwan. And this is also my first time coming this high. Yeah. Yay.
Oh, this is gonna be perfect for Pikachu and Carla.
They finally can have their outdoor photo shoot for Pikachu and Carla.
The elevation there's not a lot of air, so I'm like huffing and puffing going up this hill. Oh, careful.
Yeah.
And I am taking pictures with my Sony A7C II with the converter, so I can use my Canon 70-200 lens. And
Oh,
wow,
that's really pretty.
just got to the top of the summit, seeing this beautiful scenery. Wow, wow.
Should I catch their attention? Everybody is like stopping by and taking photos. Maybe I should let them know. Hold on. 全开. Oh, one more. One more.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Oh. In order to trigger this, I'm going to be using a pocket wizard, old school pocket wizard.
Let me help you. What can I do to help?
I need somebody to hold the flash. Oh, that's perfect.
Okay, perfect. 你们不要急哦，坐在那里继续哈。不要急，不要急。
1, 2, 3. Let's see. Oh, we tried the flash. 1, 2, 3, and 1.
And after taking photos and video, we were all so tired we went back to the hotel to spend the night.